Hello everyone. In the previous video, you saw how to do automatic allocation. In this video, we'll show you how to do manual allocation. We will demonstrate how to assign cases manually based on area, using allocation parameters that we haven't set. We have prepared the allocation file. Let's take a look at it. The file includes columns for lot number, product, segment, risk class, total due, POS, loan number, and customer name. Just like the file we created for automatic allocation, we make a similar file for manual allocation. The only difference is that we add one column to this file, which is the last column for temporary allocation. Here, we need to enter the executive's name based on the loan number, indicating which executive will handle which loan number. So, we've entered the names here. I've closed this file. After closing it, we need to go to the allocation section next to the dashboard. Click on Upload New Record here. After clicking, we need to select the file that we have prepared. Submit it. After submission, it shows us that the data in the headers of the file we prepared has matched with the headers of our system. If there's no data match, then it doesn't proceed with a check mark. We have to manually match it, so now that all the data has matched, we'll proceed from here. After proceeding, it asks us which product's data we are uploading. So, we selected HDFC TW loan. We selected the supervisor's name. And proceeded. After that, we are showing the total summary of the file, indicating that there are 17 cases under the R30 category with a total POS. Total due. 9 cases under the X bucket with a total POS. In this way, we have shown cases for all buckets. So, we have seen here what our total POS is, so we also verify it. We check if the POS of the file we uploaded is correct or not. So, here it's showing POS sum 3095747. Here it comes, 3095747. It means our total POS sum is correct. Look here, it's showing you the total records. Total records are the cases we've taken in the file. Then there's the meaning of existing loans, which are the loan numbers already in our system, so our system doesn't consider them further. It will show you here that you have so many existing loans. But the count of new loan numbers shown is what our system takes. So, our system is taking all 99 loan numbers because the existing ones are 0. Suppose if there were 10 loan numbers in this file that we were already working on because allocation from the bank often arrives multiple times in a month. Let's say the allocation for the first 100 cases came on the 2nd, which we uploaded and started working on. On the 10th, the allocation for 200 more cases came in. Among those, there were 10 or 20 cases that were already ready for us to work on. So, if there were 10 or 20 loan numbers like that in this file, they would be shown here in the existing loan section and wouldn't be taken further because they are already ready in our system. So, our process has come to this point, and after this, we confirm. After confirming, these cases go into the no service area if we are doing it manually. So, if we haven't made the area visible, these cases go into the no service area. The reason is that cases go into the no service area that we don't allocate according to the system. So, all the cases have come here. There's a listing of 50 cases per page. Now we need to put these 98 cases in the no service area. No service area means these are the areas we don't allocate according to the system, but we want to manually assign them. So, we need to select all 98 cases at once. Instead of selecting 50, we will change the listing to 100 from here. Now, a maximum of 100 cases will come on one page. Since we need all 98, we will select 100 from here, select all. Then we need to filter by product. After filtering, we need to make it a 100. So, I selected 100. After that, all 98 cases will come at once. After selecting all, there is an option to move to unassign. Moving to unassign means that we do work in this area, but we have not set allocation parameters for boys as per this area, so when we go to a no service area, we will first take the cases from there to unassign. Now all these cases have disappeared from the no service area and have gone to unassign. After the arrival of the 98 cases, we will filter again. After filtering, the name of the executive we selected will appear in the temporary allocation. So, we will find out in Excel how many cases were given to Analika. So, they showed 60. Now, here we will filter by product first, then we will count 100 from here. Because it's 60 now. We selected all and selected assign all. After that, we need to decide who will be the team leader for this case. Look at how many names of telecallers have appeared. We need to manually assign who will be on Analika Gond's telecaller ID for these cases. So I assigned one telecaller to Sakshi, Analika Gond assigned and approved. So, now these cases have gone directly to Sakshi's telecaller ID from here, and they've gone to Analika Gond's mobile app. These cases have been allocated. So, Analika's name has been removed because her cases have been allocated. Now, Ashish cases need to go through the same process. There are 23 cases, so now we won't select 100 there because there are 50 cases on one page. So, after selecting all, they have been assigned, then the name of the team leader, telecaller, and field collector were taken. Then assigned and approved. Now, I selected Hamid's name. Then I selected assign all again. After that, the name of the team leader, telecaller, and field collector was taken. And assigned and approved. After that, you can check the cases in the approved section to see how many cases each person has received. So, I filter it here. I want to see the cases of HDFC TW loan. Let's see how many cases Ashish Pal, Hamid Ansari, and Analika Gond. You can also see it by telecaller wise. Sakshi Malik is the caller for all three of them. For HDFC TW loan, these are the names of their supervisors. Now, go to the agency location. Suppose if we want to give Ashish Pal cases to Hamid Ansari, or Hamid Ansari cases to Analika, means reassigning. Let me show you. If the entire case of one executive or telecaller is to be given to someone else, then go to allocation and approved. If we need to change the field collector, we select the field collector. After that, if we need to give Dinesh Bansal's case to someone else, we reassign it from here, and select the name of the field collector we need to give that case to. Similarly, if we need to change the telecaller, after clicking on telecaller, if we need to give any telecaller's case to someone, we reassign it, and select the telecaller's name here, whom we need to give the case to. But if we need to give only one or two cases, not all cases, then we filter in the agency location. You will see all the cases of HDFC TW loan, and then you can manually reassign from there whom you want to assign the cases to. One by one, you can change any telecaller or executive. So, our allocation process is complete. All cases have been allocated, and we did it manually. You saw how we did it. For more information, watch our next video. Thank you.